therapists, we often think a lot about what we play in our sessions, and we worry that we're not playing the right thing, or we worry about the quality of our playing. But what about our listening? Do we give as much attention to the quality of our listening in music therapy, and particularly to the quality of the music that our clients play, that we play, and the music that comes up between us? I'm going to suggest that we really still need to think about listening and how we can improve our listening. Whether we're a newly qualified music therapist or someone like me who's been working for 30 years, there's still room to think about listening in music therapy. In this tutorial, I'm going to share some of the experiences I've had of thinking about listening, but also go through with you some of the practical ways that we can improve our listening as music therapists. And I'm going to talk about what I call deep listening, to the real detail of the musical process in music therapy, and also to broad listening, which is when we have to listen round and about the context in which we're working, perhaps in a care home or a hospital or a school. So I hope that we can all become passionate listeners again in music therapy, whether we're starting out or whether we've been working for a long time and we just feel that our music therapy ears need a spring clean. So go on, listen to my tutorial.